Hi there. So this is the Text Analytics bonus project demo video. So the goal of the bonus project is basically to detect gender in words. This is really kind of a cool project because it uses the Google Vector 300 word vectorizations. And this tool is really well suited for this kind of a problem. So the way we kind of solved it was we took a bunch of then gendered tuples, so king, queen, prince, princess, his, hers, him, her, he, she, man, woman, in, woman, actor, actress, boy, girl, male, female, as our training data for our model. And basically what we did was we vectorized queen using the Google News vectorization, and then we vectorized king, and then we subtracted the two. And so basically this gives us queen minus king is equal to this male-female transformation. And by doing that with 10 different tuples, what we get are 10 different samples of the man-woman transformation. And so this is cool because by averaging them, we get kind of the average transformation, which we can then add on to words to basically change their gender. So if we try this on a word like hero, which is not in the training set, and we add this two-woman transformation, what it will do is it'll actually give us the female version heroine. If we try a bunch of different words like, man, or woman, or boy, it'll give us the female version of those words. And so then what I did was I made a very, very simple kind of a method where it says, okay, let's take a word, let's try to make it female by adding on the two-woman transformation, and let's try to make it male by subtracting the two-woman transformation. And if either one of those results in a successful transformation, so if I had like king and it became queen, it will return queen. If none of them result in a successful transformation, it returns none. Or if two of them result in a successful transformation, it returns none. And the reason for this is that if two of them result in a successful transformation, it suggests that the word is actually gender neutral and that the transformation in both directions makes it gendered. So for example, if I give it the word it and I try and turn it to a female, it'll give me she. If I try to make it male, it'll give me he. So that suggests that it is actually gender neutral and we should not detect it as a gendered word. And so testing this on some examples, he will give me she will give me he, king will give me queen will give me king, so on and so forth. All of these kind of gendered words, even if they're not in the corpus, do really well at detecting the opposite gender. So guy, gal, guy, boy, girl, boy. So the cool thing is it can detect Mr. and Mrs. So Mr. becomes Miss becomes Mr. And it can actually do names as well. So a very obviously gendered name like John or Susie, John will turn to Anne and Susie will turn to Steve. So this actually works even if it's a name that suggests gender and not just like a pronoun. And we can also test it obviously on the negative examples, words that are not gendered, so like it, the, Anne, hill, lamp, doctor, president, ran, apple, peach, bubble, grass, sky, big, and all of these return none. So this method actually works really well. It's kind of cool. Basically all it does is you take the average male to female transformation, tack it onto a word, and see if it changes the word. If it does, it's gendered. If it doesn't, it's not. Thank you very much.